Established by Maxim Blagov and Witek Radomski in 2009, Enjin was assembled essentially to serve the gaming local area. It was a stage when this present reality had gotten huge energy and video gaming and online mediums had turned into a trend. At first, to fabricate a strong groundwork and to produce reserves, the venture sent off an underlying coin offering, ICO, raising about $18.9 million by offering Enjin tokens to construct its new blockchain, thus Enjin went live in 2018. Enjin coin cost forecast has been referenced here exhaustively. Right from non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to advanced vouchers spreading their wings to merchandise, the Enjin biological system is focused on serving an extensive local area that could use the multi-chain benefits across various computer games as well. Building qualities from quality item contributions, existing local area of clients and key organizations with driving brands, and intrinsic openness to the quickly developing NFT market, Enjin Coin guaranteed it made a computerized domain around itself and made its presence felt across all stages, from PC to versatile. Enjin. Catching up speed. Committing its central goal to give versatile, decentralized cross-chain organization, Enjin cost expectation has been, since its beginning, working completely to the advantage of clients absorbing all benefits of Enjin Coin, the local tokens in a wallet. This further worked with crypto exchanges. Being based on Ethereum and benefiting from the consolidated benefits of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Enjin Coin guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange secrecy in the organization. The whole system of Enjin is so subject to zero revelation proof, consequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange strategy, so the interest of gamers is constantly safeguarded. A consistent and bother-free exchange for gamers puts the power eventually in the client's hands. Being based on a blockchain-empowered stage, Enjin Coin (Enj) can trap fake or deceptive exchanges with next to no bottlenecks or deterrents caused to the gamers in their product. Its establishment is dependable on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain. Enjin Network. Laying the community track. Group Enjin guarantees the improvement of the whole gaming local area, working with progress in the crypto and blockchain innovation space. Enjin Network is supported at each level on a worldwide impression to improve use cases. Supported by a group of specialists who are enthusiastic about making it an enormous accomplishment past limits with the strengthening of innovation. Driving worldwide discussions around decentralized framework, the Enjin People Group is focused on working couple with officials, controllers, and other administering bodies. Enjin Coin (Enj). An identity makeover Enjin has embraced the challenging errand of modifying the brand to have the brand personality set up. Working alongside the most mind-boggling mechanical stages, Enjin Corporate is proactive in web-based entertainment, placing in forceful reports covering terrifically significant gaming topics, teaching the clients. Enjin Coin goes about as a platform for financial discussions, giving voice to its customer base over the globe, making a critical effect on different industry fragments, with an exceptional spotlight on gaming. Seeking after the sole mission of mass reception, Enjin has reinforced its underlying foundations with arrangements in charge. It has led arrangements that address the need of great importance in the crypto local area, zeroing in on decentralized applications and making organizations going past topographies. Enjin Coin Forecast. Market Sentiment. Enjin Token is a brilliant long-haul instrument for venture. In light of Enj cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $15.295. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 600%. The Enjin Coin (Enj) cost is estimated to reach $2.45187 by the start of 2022. The normal greatest Enj value forecast is $3.06484 and the base cost is around $2.08409. The Enjin Coin cost expectation for the month's end is $2.45187. Numerous Enjin coin, Enj, cost expectations have been made, and assuming the local area centers around limiting the exchange charges, the Enj cost might heighten. The Enj cost might hit $2.913, making it a beneficial speculation before the finish of 2022. As indicated by our speculation council, the Enj is one of the cryptos which is perfect for long-haul venture. The momentary Enjin coin estimate will be negative until the breakout. Yet, it has a decent possibility coming to $3.80 this year. While the start of January 2022 Enjin coin cost estimate is to cross $2.59, the normal most extreme cost toward the year's end will be $3.82. Enjin coin, Enj, cost is set to bounce back by December post-pandemic, an enormous inoculation roll over the globe that would mirror a decent pinnacle of $3.21 by 2022, which it makes certain to scale. Consequently, the brokers are urged to purchase Enj tokens on crypto trades. The greatest milestone triumph for Enjin coin cost is that it would cross $19.31 in the year 2027. Thus, in no less than 5 years, it will merit wagering on Enjin coin, Enj, being a beneficial venture. With the expanded gamble of misfortune, we would prescribe Enjin coin to be a sensibly wise speculation. Such data designs are extremely useful. At present, the exchanging cost of Enjin coin waits around $2.79, with a market capitalization of $2,371,028,684.77, with a circling supply of 846,734,705 Enj now, and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $271,110,304.03 in the crypto market. From the very start of this current year, the cost of Enjin coin, Enj, denoted a huge convention till April. However, practically all digital forms of money confronted a market slump after that. Nonetheless, the Enj crypto recaptured the lost energy, and presently, it exchanges around the $2.79 mark. According to the ongoing all-time high, and Enjin coin cost forecast 2022, its future qualities could stay over its urgent obstruction level of $4. Enjin coin price prediction 2022. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that Enjin coin is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2023. Following the moving example of Enj United States dollars, particularly the way things are exchanging, it is obvious that Enjin coin, Enj, cost will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern keeps contacting its significant obstruction level of $4.5. This cost would be close to the ongoing all-time exorbitant cost. Enjin coin price prediction 2023.